Just kidding. Howdy, folks. Welcome back to an excellent episode. We are deep in the Grand Canyon today, and we are going rafting. First thing we want to talk about is the level of river difficulty. The international scale rates rivers 1 through 6, where 6 is impassable. In the Grand Canyon, it's rated 1 through 10, where 10 is passable. Pete's taking us through a casual 4, and he's just cruising. Here's a 2, and I love watching these glassy tongues break up that blue sky into a million fragments of frothing whitewater. Just beautiful. You want to know where you're going with all these rapids, so you look at the guidebook and check out the beta. Otherwise, you get out and scout the rapids on foot. Today, we're going to be scouting 2 rapids, Hance and Grapevine, 2 large and dangerous rapids. We're going to be checking the... Oh, look at that. That's cool. We'll check those out, and then we'll look at that 360 footage, but first we'll see what Pete has to say about it.
Hey diddle diddle, right down the middle.
Hell yeah. Woo! So we're out here scouting Hance. We're gonna come up here and check out the river, the way it's falling, where the big hazards are. Then you want to jump right in and run it. You don't want to spend too much time thinking about it. You're gonna psych yourself out.
That last big hole. Yeah, get her straight and punch through that hole.
Looks good. We're gonna come left here on this first hole. Keep pulling left. Avoid the stuff on the right, and then there's a big breaker at the bottom that's kind of just hit or miss. We'll see.
Hit it. Jesus Christ.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Yeah, let's go.
Got the dry suit on wrong, so. This is an intense moment.
Sir Hanselot, up next.
This is Pete, captain of this here vessel. The air is tense. Just watching people drop in. You can hear the roar of the rapids behind us. I'm gonna put you away.
10, over there. Boat wrong, upside down. Heading to the big hole.
Oh no, Aaron's flipped over the inflatable kayak. He's gonna be swimming through this whole rapid. You can see how we quickly gain speed going down this tongue. Pete's avoiding that rock garden on the left and this hole on the right. Get us started out. Nice work, Pete. Now he's keeping us straight. Hance is difficult because of these submerged boulders that create strong hydraulics that can throw you off course. Here, these converging currents are forming lateral waves that are moving perpendicular to the direction of the river. We're just trying to pull back now to the left to stay away from this mess on the right. Look at all of those munching holes. And the river's going to take you where it wants you to go. It's moving pretty quickly at this point. So Pete's just trying to keep it straight so we can hit this next big hole. Boom, excellent aim. Now this is the biggest whitewater that any of us have ever seen, and Pete's just killing it right now. And we take that one on the side, but stay up, and look at this. We're pretty much through the meat of it. Now it's just time for some laughter. Now Aaron's been in the water for a while now, so it's critical that we get him out. At Sweetboat, we're going to keep an eye on him and his gear and make sure nothing gets behind us. As we come down here to the group, we see, it looks like they got him. Where's his paddle?
Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah, get it! Yeah!
Oh, they got the paddle. They're on! Navy SEAL! Immediately after Hance, we have another big rapid. It's Sockdolager Rapid, which is an old slang term that meant knock out below. Look how the walls of the canyon have changed.
throat. That's commonly referred to as a haystack. Oh my god.
They just kind of get better and better, don't they?
It like went up my nose.
That one was a big hit.
Rock pile at the top of the rapid. I've damaged more than one boat.
You read the top part weird. Give it to Rico.
Grapevine Rapid has damaged more than one boat.
So you head right for a huge hole, pretty much. Head right for the hole, Ron.
All right, we're up here scouting this next wave. We're gonna get a closer look. We're gonna follow Peter here. Take him right up to the beginning of the rapid.
You guys all good with the line? Big old tongue at the top.
It's almost center right.
Yeah, it is almost center right.
But you're gonna ride the tongue on the left side.
Howdy. We're going right there. You can tell there's a little hole there. A huge rock on the right. I think we're gonna go center of the tongue, watch it, make our way right and back to the middle.
We get too far left. Center, center.
Just get to the center.
Eddie out, hog.
Watch out.
Hawk broke away, and I think he's gonna run the rapid now, so I guess we'll see. We'll see what happens over here with Hawk. I guess we'll be able to watch him take the line. Nelson's boat's gone rogue.
My boat's over there.
This is an unpredictable type of thing you can find out here, huh?
This is what you don't plan for. One of the a mutiny on, on the river. It's been a coup.
Well, this is gonna give us a chance to see the way they run it and watch their line. Success. It's a good run. He's gonna kayak it again.
Race skirt.
Have to be a pain to put
Got
on.
it, got it. Nope, didn't get it.
We got another rapid ahead.
It's right over there.
Hey, diddle, right down the middle.
So cool. That's Sappy. That's amazing.
Over the water.
That's fun.
I'm the speediest around here.
Crack it and get a little off. Doesn't matter which side. Which
Yes,
crack eggs in the green.
So,
Oh God.
Don't blow your ears, man.
I put my ears up on mine.
That didn't pan out.
top.
Damn, I want to eat one of these.
Top.
No.
Doesn't have to be perfect. Show you something, Rico. My great ancestors taught me this. All right, Rico, you want to see something special?
Another way.
Show you a little piece of hawk magic. Hard-boiled egg. Jurassic Park 5.
So and then I hold it loosely
Nice grip. Put it up to your lips.
like this.
What an athlete. Let's go.
Am I on the wrong egg?
All right, let me help you.
I think the trick is always that
Just give me
the
one.
bottom end is like
I can hold
tight, so you can
on.
go around.
It's Supreme later.
Leave in this
Supreme later.
just a hard flies in the
Straight up. This.
I can hear their buzz.
That's
And I
halibut.
ain't done nothing.
Fish sticks.
Is it 12-hour cycle?
I
Can we
can
push this boat
hold
off?
on a
He just went. I was reprimanding him and he just paddled right away.
This is good, right?
Nothing to say.
Sing it on.
Of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing I can hold on to. Believing this living's just a hard way to go.
To believe in this living. And then fade out.
Takes it up like 2 octaves.